The 2015 Jetta S is the entry model in this Jetta's class, but is handsomely equipped with these standard features: 4-corner independent suspension, LED license plate lighting, 15-inch steel wheels, sound system with MP3 and WMA compatible CD player, AM/FM radio, manual air conditioning, blinker control stock with lane change feature, multifunction trip computer, 2 radio frequency remote transmitter key fobs, cloth seating surfaces, front center armrest that's adjustable with storage compartment, front seats that are 6-way manually adjustable, 60/40 split folding rear seat. There's a Jetta that's perfect for you. Go ahead, find the one. For more information on this vehicle or to schedule a test drive, please call Tynan's Volkswagen at 888-603-9899. Tynan's has been family-owned and operated for over 50 years. We are Colorado's #1 Volkswagen dealer and have Colorado's largest selection of new Volkswagens. We continue to be a nationwide leader in customer satisfaction and will meet or beat anyone's price. So what's stopping you? Come by today on Havana in Aurora under Denver's largest American flag.